Alright, I'm going to do a quick little video here showing you the Active Aqua 7.8 liter pump, dual output. Got this on Amazon, and apparently they sent me a used one, and it was missing a screw and everything else, so it looks like somebody had returned it, and it's probably because it's so damn noisy. Let me turn it on real quick. That's low for that time. Now this is after I've already adjusted the internals, but I figured I'd go ahead and show you how to fix this. So flip it over and take out the screws. There should be 4 of them. Okay, I've already done that. I'm going to open it up, and this is what's inside. Now you need to be careful that you don't separate these wires. Okay? Now what you need to do is check the spacing that's between the magnets here. These magnets create a vibration which pulls in air from these diaphragms. And these diaphragms are only being held in by these 2 little plastic pieces on each side. So you can pull those out if you wanted to, but don't. All you need to do is pull them back. Okay? And what I like to do is take 2 zip ties and just push them down in there. Okay? Alright. Now listen. You hear how quiet that is? I'm gonna turn it up. Okay, so I snipped off the zip tie ends, sealed it back up. Let's go ahead and crank this bad boy up. There you go. So once you plug in the hose to these, it should be even more quiet. Let's do that now. There it is. It's pretty quiet.